I'm Jenny from This World Is Not Our Homestead, and this is my son Dean. If you're looking to save money and to get your son's haircut, but you feel like you don't know what you're doing, I'm hoping this video will help you do that. I'm going to use this with a size 2 guard, a comb, and scissors. And I'll also use this like close guard and the left and right ear clips, but if you don't have the left and right ear clips or even the close guard, you can still do this without them. All right, I'm gonna start with the 2 and I'm gonna just put it on here and we are ready to go. So I'm gonna cut all the way from the bottom up pretty high, like around here, all the way around. And at the back of his head, I'm gonna bring it kind of all the way up to his cowlick. Can you look down? Close your eyes. Okay, now that I have done the 2 clip all around, I'll pick up close up.
My beautiful hair is gone.
Yeah. All around the sides, up the edges, I'm gonna go to the smallest guard and trim up where it goes on the back of his neck, just to have a nice line there. And this is optional, but I like this. I guess you can't see that, so I'll bring it back. So here is the base of his neck. And I'm just trimming that up a little bit. And you can do this over on the sideburns as well, if you choose to. And you can use this to trim around the ears, but I'm gonna use the left and right. Either works, you just have to be careful not to cut too close so that it shows up visibly. L is for the left ear. R is for the right ear. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, and now that that's done, we're gonna deal with the top. Sorry, close your eyes. Okay, so I am going to pretend there's like a line down the middle. So I'm gonna brush it up. And you can see how I've already cut here, but this has not been cut and it's kind of scraggly. And how much you take off is completely up to you. You can take off more or less. Always start with less just to be safe, and then you can take off more if you look at it and decide you want it shorter. Okay, now that I've gotten this middle line all basically straight, so I'm brushing it from the sides up instead of from the front to the back now.
We've been doing this for a while.
Not forever.
We've been doing it for
10 minutes.
How do you see it?
Says on the camera.
I know, but I see
And
it.
I'll do this all the way back on where his hair is long. Like, see how it's longer here and it's shorter here? We want it all to kind of taper up to that middle line on top we did. Dude, hold still. Just keep doing it until you feel like it's all pretty uniform. It's really long back here. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. I think a little shorter in the front.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here's Dean out of the shower. His hair is all cut and styled up a little bit so that you can see it. I'm pretty happy with how he turned out. Dean, what do you think about it?
I think it's okay.
You think it's okay? All right. Well, thank you for helping me make this video. You did a good job.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
We hope this helps you and that maybe someone else can cut their own son's hair and save some money and end up with a decent looking result.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.